I'm Donald Bell, and every week I am working to highlight and promote the coolest DIY projects and tips and tools in a show I do called Maker Update. You probably already know that, but I could be doing so much more, and with your help, I'm going to turn this thing up a notch. All right, so Maker Update's a great way to talk about projects, but what I'd like to do in addition to that is have a show that talks directly to makers, interviews them, talks to them about what projects they're working on and why they think they're cool. In order to do that and to help support what I'm already doing with Maker Update, I finally launched my own Patreon page, and I'm inviting you to become a patron. Even at just $1 a month, which is like paying $0.25 per episode of Maker Update, it would change everything for me. My mission is to help showcase all the cool stuff that's going on in the maker community, people just like you, and the amazing, silly, innovative, beautiful projects you're making. And so by becoming my patron, not only are you allowing me to make my videos, but you're also helping to recognize all of the cool stuff that's going on in our whole community. So if that sounds like something you want to do, then you should check out my Patreon page, and let's make this happen, all right? Thanks.